Let's dig in with Science 9. So today we're starting to talk about biological diversity, which is the first part of the first unit in our year. So what we're learning today is we're learning how to describe biodiversity within a species. We're doing this because we want to eventually be able to explain how biodiversity benefits people and the planet. Think about all the people you meet in a day. Do they all look the same? Our general physical characteristics might be human has a distinctive body plan, but the individual features probably aren't. All living things, human and other organisms, have distinct features that we call variations. These variations are basically versions of different traits that make individuals unique. Things like hair color, eye color, height, whether or not you can drink milk, do you have any allergies, how flat or arched are your feet. These are all variations that make you unique. Together, these variations within an area create what we call biological diversity or biodiversity. Biodiversity represents the number and variety of organisms living within an area. So how can we describe this biodiversity? Well, there are actually a couple of different ways. One way, the way we were just talking about when we thought about the people around us, is to look at variation within a species. This is looking at the variation within one type of organism, one type of living thing. Different types of organisms are known as species. Humans are a species, Homo sapien. Gray wolves are a species. Domesticated cats are a species. Fir trees are a species. Cockroaches. There are many different types of species. So each species, though, shares a large number of similar variations. Humans all have 2 arms, 2 legs, 5 fingers on each hand, 5 toes. We fall into a certain range of heights and weights. Our bones are all arranged in same or similar manners. These are all variations that we share. But that doesn't mean that every human looks like every human, or every domestic dog looks like every other domestic dog. In fact, on the dog front, dogs are all, or the dogs that we keep in our homes are all one species, but they show massive ranges of variation because of the way we have bred them for different traits. Technically, they're all one type of animal, though. Some people try to divide them down into subspecies, and we talk about breeds, but all of these are actually one species, just with a whole bunch of variation within the species and a very high level of biodiversity.